Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for information on how to build a brand for your dropshipping store in South Africa, you're in the right page. Today we'll guide you through the essential steps to make your dropshipping store stand out in the competitive market. Let's get started. 1. Define your brand identity. A strong brand identity is crucial for making a memorable impression on your customers. Here is how you can do it. 1. Understand your target audience. 2. Develop a brand personality. 3. Choose a memorable brand name and tagline. 4. Design a professional logo and color scheme. Section 2. Establish a consistent brand presence. This involves making sure your brand looks and feels the same across all platforms. 1. Create a user-friendly and visually appealing website. 2. Navigate your branding across all online platforms. 3. Develop a brand guideline for consistent messaging and visuals. Section 3. Tell your brand story. Telling your brand story can make a huge difference in connecting with your customers. 1. Tell your brand story. Craft a compelling narrative that resonates with your audience. 2. Share your brand's values and mission. Be transparent about what your brand stands for. 3. Use storytelling techniques. Section 4. Build brand awareness and loyalty. This involves making people know about your brand and keeping them coming back. 1. Leverage social media and influencer marketing. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with your potential customers. 2. Offer exceptional customer service and support. Make sure your customers feel valued by providing excellent customer service. 3. Implement loyalty programs and incentives. 4. Engage with your audience and gather feedback. Interact with your audience on social media and gather feedback to improve your products or services. Section 5. Stand out from the competition. Here are some strategies. 1. Identify your unique selling point and competitive advantages. 2. Offer unique products or product bundles. Provide products that are hard to find elsewhere or create irresistible product bundles. 3. Personalize the shopping experience for your customers. Send personalized recommendations and offer exclusive discounts on special occasions. 4. Stay up to date with industrial trends and consumer preferences. Section 6. Localize your branding for South Africa. Here is how. 1. Understand and cater to local consumer behavior and cultural nuances. Research and understand South African consumers' preferences and habits. 2. Use relevant local preferences and imagery. 3. Offer localized payment and shipping options. 4. Partner with local influencers or organizations for brand collaborations. Try out these strategies and remember, building a brand takes time, but it's worth in the end. A strong brand can help your business grow and keep customers coming back for more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful dropshipping business. See you next time.